Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle hydraulic disc brake in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle hydraulic disc brakes to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is SRAM MAVEN. Specifications. Brand name, SRAM. Model number, MAVEN. Braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad. Origin, TW origin. Number 4 is IIIPRO Piston's E-MTB hydraulic disc brake. Specifications. Brand IIIPRO. Model Nexus. Material CNC 7075 T6 aluminum. For piston hydraulic brake system. Suitable for XC, downhill, and e-bikes. Rigid single-piece CNC'd caliper. High-quality anodized black and gunmetal finish. On-the-fly lever reach adjustment. Mineral oil fluid to protect the environment. Complies with and exceeds EN 15194 regulations. Version 2025 new version. Warranty 1 year. As the item number 3 we've selected, Frog Wake FE4L. Specifications. Brand name, Frog Wake. Model number, FE4L. Size, 950 mm. 1650 mm. Use mountain bikes. Material, aluminum. Braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad. Components, caliper brake. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is Shimano XTR M9100. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, M9100. Use mountain bikes. Material, light alloy. Series XTR. Piston 2 piston. Adapter. Comes with 160 mm adapter, fits a 160 mm disc. Length. Left control front 800 mm, right control rear 1600 mm. Pads, K04TI resin pads, K05S resin pads. Weight 450 g. On the top of our list at number 1 we have ONIRII IIIPRO. Specifications. Brand ONIRII. Model R2X4. Length of oil hose, front 90 cm, rear 173 cm. Material, aluminum alloy. Craft CNC. Oil, mineral oil. Piston 4 piston. Colors black, red, titanium, purple, blue, pink. Weight, caliper 110 g, brake lever 77 g.